The sub-orbital spaceflight company founded by Jeff Bezos is acquiring Honeybee Robotics for an undisclosed amount. The robotics company makes next-generation applications a reality by combining the brightest minds with the best technology through creative, collaborative innovation. Want to know about it? Well, stay tuned to the video and watch the video till the end. Hello guys, welcome to Bezos Space. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to get new updates about Jeff Bezos. Hit the like button to show your support, and in today's video, we're gonna discuss Jeff Bezos just buying Honeybee Robotics for Blue Origin. So without any further ado, let's begin. Founded in 1983, Honeybee has delivered more than 1,000 advanced projects to customers in spacecraft, planetary exploration, defense robotics, medical devices, mining, oil and gas, and utility infrastructure sectors. It built the rock abrasion tools for NASA's Opportunity and Spirit rovers on Mars and the drills for the Curiosity and Perseverance rovers. Its innovative, reliable, and literally groundbreaking robotic system operated throughout space in commercial launch vehicles and satellites and doing innovative work on the Moon, Mars, and Titan. Their first offices were above a piano shop on New York City's Lower East Side. Robotic arms, robot end effectors, and clever task-oriented electromechanical systems were among the early projects the company has worked on for firms like IBM, Allied Signal, the Salk Institute, Merck, 3M, and Con Edison. Honeybee's extensive experience in planetary robotics and mechanisms, drills, motors, actuators, drive electronics, and specialized space mechanisms are complementary to Blue Origin's system capabilities' goal of making spaceflight routine and vision of opening space resources to benefit Earth. Joining Blue Origin is a major step forward for us, said Keel Davis, president of Honeybee Robotics, in a statement. With Blue Origin, we look forward to further expanding our capacity to meet the most exciting challenges in next-generation space transportation, space mobility, space destinations, and planetary science and exploration. Aerospace is the future of the industry. While once science fiction, space exploration, tourism, and industry have become real. Advances in communication, emissions monitoring, asset tracking, and other such fields are already occurring, with more on the horizon. Besides the impact on the aerospace industry, Blue Origin's Honeybee Robotics unit will face challenges and design solutions that might find their way into both extraterrestrial and terrestrial applications. Honeybee Robotics says that they only expect the best from joining Blue Origin. In particular, this is cooperation and new contracts in the field of space transportation and space mobility. Blue Origin emphasized that they would not make any critical changes to H Robotics, but leave it as a separate company with its own structure and work. And it's clear that now the organization will assist the Jeff Bezos company in its planned space exploration, space expansion, and contracts that Blue Origin has received or will receive. The Robot Operating System (ROS) has been used in space activities for over a decade now. Its use began at ROSCon 2012, where NASA showcased its use of ROS in the Robonaut 2 R2 humanoid robot. NASA switched software from R2 to ROS and used Gazebo, Open Robotics' 3D robotic simulator, to build a model of the robot and the International Space Station (ISS). In 2014, R2 and its ROS-based software were operational on the ISS. This was the first confirmed use of ROS in space. When NASA started working on its next robot, Robonaut 5 R5, also called Valkyrie, it used ROS from the start. He also continued to use Gazebo for robot testing and development. R5 then participated in the DARPA Robotics Challenge. We're beyond excited to welcome Honeybee Robotics to our team, said Brent Sherwood, Senior Vice President of Advanced Development Programs for Blue Origin. In a press statement, GeekWire reported that the firm president, Keel Davis, noted that they have been building Honeybee's capabilities and brand for almost 40 years. Davis added that becoming a member of Blue Origin is a huge step forward for the company. Honeybee Robotics creates advanced robotic systems for the world's most demanding environments and applications. Honeybee Robotics is an R&D engineering company that creates unique solutions for its customers' challenges on Earth and in space. Its robotic solutions are designed to enhance the user experience and extend capabilities beyond what's currently possible. As an R&D service provider, Honeybee Robotics is deeply committed to delivering results for its customers and partners, from early-stage feasibility studies to prototyping to production and product validation. In 2017, Honeybee Robotics was acquired by Ensign Bickford Industries, a 181-year-old privately held corporation with headquarters in Simsbury, Connecticut. It looks like the future is bright for both companies. Blue Origin plans to retain Honeybee Robotics as a separate company without making any significant or notable changes to both their customers and products. While long-term plans haven't been fully disclosed, The acquisition opens up a lot of potential new avenues. Only time will tell whether Blue Origin will succeed in the long run. The capability has only improved with the development of certain core technologies such as solar array drive and power transfer technologies and complementary product lines such as the P35 actuator and the Aviar line of motion control components. The Honeybee is able to offer solutions at virtually every level of the motion control architecture, from individual motors and sensors to custom mechanisms to complex multi-axis subsystems. This level of vertical integration not only allows for a more efficient development path, but it also provides a kind of toolbox of offerings from which to assemble the best possible solution. Blue Origin said it will retain Honeybee as a separate entity and with no notable changes to its products or customers. It did not disclose its long-term plans for the company or its technologies, although Blue Origin and its founder, Jeff Bezos, have long discussed using space resources to enable the expansion of humanity into space. Over time, the combined capabilities of Honeybee and Blue Origin will create new opportunities, efficiencies, and innovations as they work together to develop space to benefit Earth. The company said, "All manufacturing processes stand to benefit from these economics." As is true with most innovations, new developments in one field have a far reach into seemingly unrelated fields. The only limitation will be the imagination of the manufacturing engineers, as more will be possible with even a limited budget. Anyone familiar with the space industry knows components must meet stringent quality standards, even if it means Death Star-sized prices. By commercializing spaceflight, producing a few high-cost components are no longer viable. Instead, the cost must decrease without sacrificing utility and safety. Last year, Blue Origin lost out to SpaceX in a competition for a multi-billion-dollar lunar lander contract from NASA, but the company is continuing to work on its design in hopes of winning follow-up contracts. Honeybee has been developing the crane system for Blue Origin's lander as a partner in the effort. If the deal goes through as expected, that partnership will be even closer as Blue Origin sets its sights on the moon and beyond. The financial details were kept under wraps. For over 35 years, Honeybee has built a reputation for developing innovative solutions that could not easily be found elsewhere. In support of the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA Robotic Servicing of Geosynchronous Satellites (RSGS) program, Honeybee created two unique flight subsystems. The first, the Universal Gripper Anchor (UGA), can grasp a variety of targets on the satellite to be serviced, as well as provide an electromechanical mounting service for modular nanosatellites. The second, the Satellite Grasper Tool (SGT), is a new end effector for securing and manipulating nanosatellite payloads using the servicing satellite's dexterous robotic arms. The strut attachment system provides a common, high-stiffness electromechanical connection architecture for robotic on-orbit structures assembly that engages with a single actuation. The SAS will enable the creation of networked space frame structures with a strut node architecture, enable payload docking to those structures for power and data transfer, and enable the creation of reusable, serviceable, and upgradable vehicle system in support of lower-cost space exploration. In this next venture, which Gorvan states as their most ambitious yet, Honeybee is building the sample acquisition system for Caesar. "Once we have 100 grams, we'll begin the journey home," confirms Gorvan. While scientists eagerly await Caesar's findings, technologists invested in civilian exploration are also paying close attention. Life in space is no longer abstract, but a tangible reality many are eager to check off in their lifetime. Now that we've come to the end of this video, I want to thank you for sticking with me, and I'd love to know what you think of it. Just comment down below. Also, if you like this video, make sure you like it and stay safe. Today's video is over, but if you want to see more, there's one on your screen right now. And there are a few more fun videos coming soon about everyday aviation technology. I'll see you in the next video.